Time is now 12:45 in Saudi Arabia. In Los Angeles is 1:45 a.m. In Philippines is 5:45 p.m. There's new fire here in Santa Clara, Ventura County, near in the river. So no problem, we can take more water here. Where's that one? See, here area, new fire this morning in California. And we have this previous fire. There is Eaton fire, Horse fire, and Palisade this fire. This is near in Hollywood. This area is Hollywood. Yeah, Hollywood Walk of Fame. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is the latest vlog of the fire. Thank you.